In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Contacts and Gmail to Outlook contacts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your contacts seamlessly syncing between Google and Outlook, ensuring you have access to the most up-to-date information, no matter which platform you're using. To get started, you'll first need to make sure you have access to both your Google account and your Outlook account. Having both accounts open and logged in will make this process a lot simpler and faster. Now, let's begin by exporting your Google Contacts. Open your internet browser and navigate to Google Contacts. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of the screen until you find the Export option. Clicking on this will bring up several choices. You want to select Contacts and then choose the format in which you want to save them. For the purposes of syncing with Outlook, you'll need to select the Outlook CSV format. This is crucial because it ensures that the data can be easily imported into Outlook. After selecting Outlook CSV, click on Export again. Your browser will then download a file containing all your Google Contacts. Be sure to note where this file is saved, usually in the Downloads folder, because you'll need it in just a moment. Next, you'll want to head over to Outlook. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the File tab in the upper left corner of the app. From the options presented, select Open Export, and then Import Export. This will launch a wizard that guides you through the import process. Here, select Import from another program or file, and click Next. Now, choose comma-separated values, which corresponds to the CSV file format you downloaded from Google. Click Next once more. You will now be prompted to upload that CSV file you previously downloaded. Click Browse and locate the file, then select it and click Next. You'll then be asked where you'd like to import these contacts within your Outlook. Choose Contacts, which ensures they appear in your Outlook contacts list, and hit Next. Be mindful that Outlook will give you options on how to handle duplicate contacts. You can choose to replace duplicates, allow them, or skip them entirely, depending on your personal preference. Finally, click Finish to complete the import process. And there you have it. Syncing your Google Contacts and Gmail to Outlook is as simple as that. You've now managed to download your Google Contacts, export them to a compatible format, and import them into Outlook. This effectively bridges the two platforms, enabling a smooth transfer of contact information. Having your contacts sync across platforms can improve productivity and ensure consistency, so this is well worth the effort. If you follow these steps, you'll find that keeping your contact list up to date across both platforms is a breeze. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.